Welcome to Pennsylvania. Been an interesting morning. Interesting for sure. And lots of rain. Lots and lots of rain. Man, I got sun. I got sun yesterday in Rhode Island. Rhode Island's beautiful. I very much enjoyed my time there in Rhode Island. Good food, good company. So I stopped off. I'm gonna get myself a coffee. I'm meeting up with Emmy later, fellow drone pilot, and we're gonna go out to get something to eat. I'm about, how many miles away? I think I'm like 150 miles away from her right now. I don't even know what town I'm in. Pennsylvania is kind of pretty though. I'm starting to see breaks in the scenery where you can see like fields with trees lining instead of just nothing but constant trees. But it keeps raining. It's been raining since Connecticut. I was just outside of New Haven. Oh God, that's another thing. Oh man, I should tell you guys this. I was driving looking for a hotel, literally for like almost 4 hours, stopping at every single hotel, motel. I mean, even crappy motels where it's like, you know, you need to wrap yourself up in a hazmat suit just to go into the room. And every single one of them was booked up. I had no option but to try and sleep in the car. And I did fall asleep for a couple hours. In Brooksville, Pennsylvania right now. My hair is just not doing anything. It was all curly and everything in the south, and now it's all just laying flat. But yeah, Brooksville, Pennsylvania. I'm meeting up with Emmy. Emmy Maines, fellow drone pilot. And we're gonna go to Denny's. One finger bandit just like I am. This is Emmy.
Hello, hello.
Emmy Maines, award-winning photographer, drone pilot. Anything you want to say?
Award-winning drone pilot, photographer. No, nothing. I want to say hello to everyone.
You were nominated for the Drone Fest as well, right?
Yes, this is my 5th one. First for Arizona, first photo, one submitted. So first time entering, and probably one of my proudest because it's wonderful to be part of the Arizona team of
the Easy Drone
amazing pilots around the world.
And we are Pennsylvania. If you see the back sign there, it says welcome to Pennsylvania. Let me turn this around. We're having some amazing grub. I'm on my way to Ohio. She's on her way to work.
Yep, got to do 12 hours at the psych ward.
And I have a destiny with the road. I am in Ohio, about 70 miles or so from Toledo. So I'm going to be pulling off to get a hotel this time before it gets dark. I'm not doing this nighttime drive trying to find a hotel thing. Good morning, y'all. So I am in Ohio, X amount of miles away from Toledo right now. We gotta get to Aurora, Illinois. I am going to meet Bud Bieber, and Bud is somebody who is he's a friend I've never met before, you know, but he's also someone who really, really, really likes my music. So to see Bud as not only a friend but a fan of my work, that's special. And I have something for him. I gave one to Lucas, and I'm gonna give one to Bud. If I can dig it out of my purse here, I can find it. It's in here. I know, there it is. Okay. This right here. This is a flash drive that holds my entire discography. Maria Davis Music, Glamis, and Firehawk. And the new release coming out on July 11th between my moniker Firehawk and 7 and 5, a collaboration. That's on here as well. So Bud will get that early. I know I'm in Indiana. However, I don't know where in Indiana. I don't know what town this is. I think I might be on the outskirts of Toledo. I'm not sure. Okay, wait a minute. I just saw a sign that said Chicago Southland. Am I in Chicago? Another damn toll road. God, I have put so much money towards tolls. Easily 40 bucks with tolls so far on this trip. But I just saw things that Chicago Southland. Am I in Chicago? I think I'm in Chicago. So, yeah, I met up with Bud. Bud is a sweetheart. Super nice guy. And I gave him his flash drive with the discography on it. 'Cause I knew he would love it. He would love it. And I know he will. When he just seen his eyes, like, ooh. So, as I'm drinking over at Dunkin' Donuts, he's heading home. He's supposed to send me a picture that we took a selfie. But super nice guy. I told him, I said, he needs to get to Arizona. He's been there before. He's got some friends in Prescott and another place. I think he said the Valley, Phoenix somewhere, I think. But I told him, I said, hey man, you're in Chicago here? Amtrak goes from Chicago straight to Flagstaff. You know, I could totally pick him up in Flagstaff. And the fact that he's got friends in Prescott as well, that's good. I said, you need to come out there, bud. We need to go fly. I am totally getting pulled over right now. I was doing the speed limit. There's a cop behind me. You see the cop? Oh my God. Hi.
Hey, ma'am. Trooper riding Illinois State Police. The reason why I stopped is you didn't improperly pass our vehicles on the side of the road back there. Our right side.
What?
That truck and my squad car was in the back of the side of the road back there. You blew by us in the right lane. You need to slow down and get over the other lane. Well, in almost every state, so.
There was a car right alongside of me when I passed by you. There's my policy number. Does that work? Or I could dig out other stuff. There we go.
Well, you just paid. This is the bill. You just paid.
But here's the cards if you need it. I took this back on.
Good on the insurance. Just hang tight. I'll bear with you.
Okay.
Bear with you.
Shit. There was a car right alongside of me. That's why he came to get me, because I didn't pull over to the other side. Come on, man. Be lenient. Give me a warning. Shit. Shit. Bullshit. Fucking hell, he's giving me the envelope and everything. Actually wrote me a ticket.
Ma'am, here's your driver's license. Alright, just a couple things then. There's a citation for improper passing an emergency vehicle. In the state of Illinois, there's a court date.
I live in Arizona. No chance of getting a warning, huh?
What's that?
No chance of getting a warning?
Nope, not the state of Illinois. Our director and the governor have said it's zero tolerance for safety for workers on the highways. And you gotta go to your court date.
I have to come back to Illinois?
You get it online, yeah.
Holy shit. Okay.
Alright, drive safe, ma'am.
No tolerance in my ass. Yeah, well, I'm gonna talk my ass out of this, I'll tell you that. I could not go over. Which is the truth. Tell me I have to come back to Illinois for a court date? When's the court date? July 23rd. This is bullshit. Oh, I am so pissed right now. I am so pissed. The guy could have, no leniency in my ass. Told you there's a car right next to me. You know, in Arizona, we are taught, we are told, even the cops will pull you over and tell you, do not hog the left lane. You gotta move over to the right lane. And that's what I've been doing. I've been staying in the right lane, letting traffic pass. Holy shit. Okay, you want me to hog the right lane or left lane? Fine, I'm gonna hog the left lane now.